What's up, y'all? Hey, no video. Back with a video. And today is back with it. Anyways, this one we will be playing. Where is it? Money cash. Alright. Alright. This one, y'all. Yo, what? I'm not supposed to be like this. Yo, and why talk about my real name, yo? Are y'all tripping? Oh, why talk about dog? Alright, bruh. Money for him. Alright. I hop it off. Y'all be crazy. I just woke up. Oh, no. So tell you why. I posted over my stepdad. Go to work. Right? He came because he was over at the other side. The other side. Oh my god. You know I'm like, alright, so and then I tell him he takes me today at 5. Tell me why he come home at 1, but he wanna help like set down the pizza. He worked at Domino's. Like bruh. And bro, my dog in here, bruh. In my room. No, so he came upstairs talking about excuse me hearing you. I know Jerry Cat owning a doll for me. Owning a doll. Like bro. Y'all. Brokey. I'm a Jerry Cat. It's crazy word. Y'all G Jerry Cat. Comment down below. Comment. Comment. Subscribe. Oh my god. Nobody. No, yeah. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Nah. I'm at the Washington daughters. Why don't they get money yet? Alright. I'm a girl, Trace. No, I'm a girl. No, I'm a girl. No way I am a girl. Y'all didn't watch it. Y'all laughing at me? Alright. Alright. And a mom. Yo, mom faster. The Trace you were. Alright. Oh, what did I say? No. What did I say? Go outside. Yo. Oh my god. Wait, I had to outside. What the point? Ooh, boy, I wanna go his. Go his. Is there a way to find them faster? And y'all, by the way, y'all hear me doing this because I'm very ugly. Y'all know that. Look, I got asthma. I hate asthma. I need a gun. BD, I need a gun. Talk to you first. Wait. Yeah, I do. No. By the way, I be popping in like for I don't know why. My doll is licking my feet. What the heck? Please be like that. Bro, what? No, I want another box. A gun. Yeah, no. I don't want. Bro. Nah. $2 is crazy. And since I was shot. Oh my god. I need a gun though. I need a... Yo, I'm about to come out. Look, boss, that is. Yo, what did this come to? What did it come to? Yo, I thought it was going to so bad. So, outside with it. Alright. Wait, it will. Yo, try to get closer with far. This save? Why not February? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going back. I'm going back. Take me back. Take me back. Oh, these bodies. They're dead. They're probably water. Oh my god. What happened? February, this is for. Yeah, game crazy. But wait, yeah, I died. That's for me. I thought I need a car. So I need a van. I need a van. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I need some money. First car. Alright, please. What got it? Oh my god, alright. Zero. feel my shirt, yo? What? Here. Yo. This show does halfway. No, this show does 5 minutes ago. This show does 5 minutes ago. No, not that one. What do you think? I think, yeah, 5 minutes. No, 5 seconds. You do what you want. You don't have to. You don't have to my bed. You know you did it. Alright, y'all. I don't do work right now. You know that I hate doing this, y'all. What? I know, I hate doing this. So, sorry, peace. Have a good night.